Cats, we've been working on how to understand solving of equations with one unknown, and I'd like to go and visit that tab again and show you here that there are quizzes. After you've used the programs that are to help you learn these equations, you might want to check yourself and see if you have actually learned them, and they're these self-grading quizzes. So let's look at one of these quizzes. They're all underneath here. You could use them, and they all work the same way. It's just the type of equation you're going to be quizzing yourself on. So you put in your name, and I guess I'll put my name in. And if I misspell it, I could go like this, and it would let me correct it. So you can change your name if you mess up. And it has here practice quiz and actual quiz. The difference here, it doesn't really change the program at all. A practice quiz just will not send the results to your default printer, and it'll save you paper. An actual quiz would print out your quiz. So since I don't really want to print, I'm going to put this on practice quiz and begin. And every time I use this, it will generate a different kind of problem, a different set. It's choosing these coefficients and constant terms as random numbers, so the answers will be different every time. So you work your problem, and I'm going to do this one in my head. And this is going to be 3x is equal to 3, so x is equal to 1. And this is going to be negative 14. 5x is negative 14, so I think negative 14 divided by 5. I think it would let me do that. Now I could work these other ones for you, but I'm just going to put ones in here for the sake of time. And then when I go to check, it tells me which ones I got right and the two that I did, and it tells me the decimal equivalent here. But the fact that there's no check marks in these boxes means that those are right, and we got one down here right by chance. And so you can get a graded quiz to see if you really have learned how to solve these equations. And you can take this as many times as you want. And I also have some programs called Essential Algebra, which generate worksheets, and you could use those as well. But if you have a book that you're going by, I'm sure you can find plenty of problems of the types that we've been learning. So, and that's a little thing about the background of that program, about the artist who did that background of that program. So you see you have your choice of different kinds of quizzes, and some of them are whether the answers come out to be integer numbers or not. And there are also these mathos, and here's linear matho, and you can choose your problem type also by the pattern. So if you wanted to do equations, I don't really have the screen here at the right place, and my dog is about to complain to me. If I hit new problem, it gives me a problem here, and then I have to work 3x is 21, x is 7. There's no 7. Click again. 4x is negative 28, negative 7. And if I get it right, I get a smiley face, and it plays like a bingo type game for you. So you can use those for review, these mathos of the various types, and the grading quizzes. So you might find that helpful. Thanks.